honestly, I don't like unboxing videos because a typical unboxing video, they say, here's a box. The box is open. Now the box is empty. Very disappointing. Anyway, let's go into one more detail. These wrenches come in plastic bags, which is nice. I guess that minimizes the scratches. Not that that's going to matter after one puts it in a toolbox. Obviously, the Gearwrench is aesthetically more pleasing, but this is a pretty good looking 25-year-old. On the Gearwrench, the angles are a little sharper and the metal is thicker.